Welcome to the world of power-packed beastly forestry machines. We're diving deep into the heart of forestry. Get ready to witness the ultimate machinery in action and discover the incredible technology behind the tools that shape the forest industry. Impressive. This level of precision and control under pressure requires an expert's knowledge of both the equipment and the environment. Truly remarkable. The SpaltFix K650 Vario revolutionizes firewood processing. This powerhouse handles logs up to 65 centimeters in diameter, effortlessly sawing, splitting, and loading. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth operation and precise splitting, while the optional conveyor belt system maximizes efficiency. Wondering how this machine splits firewood? Stick around. You'll see how the precision engineering behind this tool makes splitting logs a breeze. Imagine a giant metal bird with whirring blades slicing through branches mid-air. It's helicopter tree sawing. Helicopter tree sawing integrates aerial precision with advanced forestry tools. Equipped with specialized saws, helicopters can efficiently trim branches in areas inaccessible by ground. This method enhances operational safety while significantly improving the reach and efficiency of timber management. This tricky situation could make even the most seasoned lumberjack scratch their head. They'd have to rely on experience to predict the tree's trajectory, use their cutting technique to guide it, and even then, they'd need a bit of luck on their side. Pretty scary, huh?
Ew.
Looking to maximize your harvesting operation? The John Deere 1270G with the H415 head is a smart investment. This machine delivers power, precision, and efficiency, helping you get the most out of every workday. Its advanced features like intelligent boom control and the rotating cab will boost your productivity and reduce fatigue. Don't just take my word for it. Check out and see for yourself. Now this, my friends, is what I call a game changer. The Stump Ripper's unique chicken crown design optimizes leverage and force distribution, allowing for efficient stump removal. Its robust construction and powerful hydraulic system ensure reliable performance even with large stumps. This innovative tool significantly reduces the time and effort required for land clearing. The siren song of the chainsaw, whispering promises of easy victory over the towering oak. But beware, my friend, for hubris often precedes the fall. Literally. The R63-5B frame saw represents a pinnacle of early 20th century sawmill technology. It utilizes a reciprocating motion to power multiple saw blades mounted within a rigid frame. This design allows for the efficient cutting of large logs into dimensional lumber and ensures optimal cutting performance. While superseded by modern bandsaw mills, the R63-5B remains a testament to the ingenuity of sawmill engineers. Hey there, neighbors! Got a pesky stump ruining your yard? Seco Tree Care is here to the rescue. They've got this amazing stump grinder hooked up to a super powerful tractor. I'm talking 300 to 400 horsepower. That makes quick work of any stump. Give them a call and say goodbye to that eyesore. Well, this guy's luck sure did triumph over his clumsiness. Oh my gosh! The danger here is almost cinematic. Now, this bad boy right here is what I call a stump's worst nightmare. You see that fulcrum point? That's where the magic happens. It gives you the leverage to pop those stumps out like they're nothing. And those serrated edges? They slice through roots like a hot knife through butter. If you've got a land clearing project, this is your go-to tool.